Have you noticed how AI is no longer just answering questions, but actually taking actions for you? Booking your meetings, writing your emails, researching markets, even building small businesses on autopilot. That's the rise of Agentic AI, the new wave where AI systems act as agents. And in today's breakdown, we'll explore exactly what Agentic AI is, why it matters, how adoption is spreading, and how you, even as a beginner, can leverage it to stay ahead in 2025 and beyond. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how these AI agents work, but also how businesses are adopting them step by step and how this might change jobs, startups, and the entire digital economy. Chapter 1: What is Agentic AI? Traditional AI reactive. You ask ChatGPT a question, it gives you an answer. That's static interaction. Agentic AI proactive. It doesn't just give answers, it takes initiative. Think of it like a digital employee. It plans, acts, adapts, and executes tasks on your behalf. Definition: Agentic AI equals autonomous systems that combine reasoning, planning, memory, and action execution to achieve goals. Examples: Autopt, one of the first open source agent experiments. ChatGPT with actions, booking flights, ordering food. Devin AI, the world's first AI software engineer that can read codebases and commit changes. AI agents and CRMs reply to customer tickets automatically. Key distinction: they don't just predict the next word. They connect tools, APIs, and data sources to actually get work done. Chapter 2: Core components of Agentic AI. To understand adoption, you need to see what makes an AI agentic. There are 4 pillars. Goal-oriented reasoning agents set goals and break them into subtasks. Example: research top 5 micro SaaS ideas, make a report. Memory systems: unlike static AI, agents remember past interactions. They can store knowledge in vector databases and recall it when needed. Tool use: API integration, they connect to Google, Notion, Slack, Stripe, Zapier, and more. This makes them actionable. Autonomy and feedback loops, they learn from trial and error. If they fail a task, they adjust their next attempt. Basically, it's AI that can think, remember, and act like a digital teammate. Chapter 3: Why Agentic AI matters now. Why is this important? Because Agentic AI solves the biggest bottleneck in AI adoption, going from knowledge to execution. Old AI. Here's a 10-step marketing plan. Agentic AI. I've already drafted the blog posts, scheduled your tweets, and set up the ad campaign. The difference is massive. It moves AI from being a co-pilot to being a co-founder. Benefits: productivity explosion, automates repetitive tasks. Cost savings, replace dozens of manual workflows. 24/7 operation, agents don't sleep. Accessibility, non-technical founders can launch startups. That's why adoption is accelerating so fast. Chapter 4: Early adoption trends. Let's look at where Agentic AI is being adopted today. Customer support AI agents handle tickets, refunds, FAQs. Companies like Intercom plus Zendesk already have agent integrations. Sales and marketing, outbound email campaigns fully automated. Agents research leads, write personalized emails, and follow up. E-commerce AI agents manage product listings, pricing adjustments, ad campaigns. Software development, Devin, GPT engineer, and other dev agents write, debug, and push code. Personal productivity agents that schedule meetings, manage emails, and summarize documents. Healthcare, early adoption in patient triage, appointment scheduling, insurance claims. These are just starting points. Within 3 years, every industry will have specialized AI agents. Chapter 5: Adoption barriers. But adoption isn't instant. There are challenges. Trust and reliability, businesses hesitate. What if the AI makes mistakes? Agents must prove accuracy before being trusted with critical tasks. Security risks, agents connect to sensitive systems, banking, HR, customer data. This raises big cybersecurity concerns. Regulation and ethics. Who's responsible if an agent makes a bad decision? Governments are still figuring this out. User education, most people don't yet know how to deploy or manage AI agents. Adoption requires better UX and training. Chapter 6: The 3 waves of Agentic AI adoption. We're entering adoption in waves. Wave 1 now, 2.0 to 2.0 assisted automation agents handle small, low-risk tasks, emails, summaries, reports. Wave 2, 2.0 to 6, 2.0 to 8. Delegated execution, businesses trust agents with end-to-end workflows, customer onboarding, payroll, marketing campaigns. Wave 3, 2.0 to 9 onwards, autonomous enterprises. Small agent-first startups could compete with Fortune 500 seconds. Chapter 7 Case Studies Marketing Agency 40% Cost Savings. A UK agency replaced human interns with AI agents for research plus email outreach. Saved $120,000 annually, while increasing lead conversion by 18%. E-commerce founder 2x growth. Shopify store owner used an AI agent to auto-test ad creatives and adjust pricing daily. Revenue doubled in 6 months. Solo developer SaaS launch. One founder used an AI dev agent to build an MVP in 2 weeks, now making $8K month with just one AI teammate. Chapter 8 Tools for building and using AI agents. If you want to get started today, here are the top platforms. LinkedIn framework for building agent workflows. Autoptbabiaji open source experimental agents. Crui multi-agent collaboration systems. OpenAI GTTS custom GTTS build lightweight agents without coding. Zapier AI Actions connect AI with thousands of apps. Devon AI Software Dev Agent. Relevance AI Enterprise Agent Platform. Non-technical founders can use no-code AI platforms like Bubble plus AI APIs plus Zapier to spin up agents in days. Chapter 9 The Business Model of Agentic AI. How do you make money with AI agents? SaaS with AI agents inside. Example: CRM with built-in sales agents. Agent as a service provide agents for specific industries: legal, real estate, HR. Agent marketplaces like app stores, but for AI agents. Freelancer replacement offer AI virtual assistant packages for small businesses. The agent economy could easily surpass today's SaaS industry because of its scalability and automation. Chapter 10 The Future of Work and Society. Here's the big question. What happens when agents become mainstream? Jobs shift, routine tasks automated. Creative plus strategic plus human interaction jobs still valuable. Rise of agent managers. New job category: people who design, train, and supervise AI agents. Micro-entrepreneurship explosion. Anyone with an idea can launch a business with 5 AI agents instead of 5 employees. Ethics and control. Debate around bias, decision-making, and AI rights will intensify. This is not just a tech shift, it's a societal transformation. Final blueprint recap. Agentic AI equals AI that doesn't just talk, but acts. Adoption is spreading across customer support, sales, e-commerce, dev, and healthcare. Barriers exist: trust, security, regulation. Adoption will happen in waves. Assist, delegate, autonomous. Tools exist right now: LinkedIn, Crui, GTTS, Zapier, Devon. The business opportunities are massive. The future belongs to those who learn how to manage and deploy AI agents effectively. So that's the full breakdown of agentic AI and AI agents adoption. We're at the beginning of a shift that could redefine how businesses and individuals operate. Now I want to ask you, would you trust an AI agent to run part of your business today? Or would you still feel nervous handing it control? Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear them. And if you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more deep dives on AI, SaaS, and the future of work. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. The only question is, will you adopt early or play catch up later?